Dear students, good afternoon to all of you. Hoping you all are fine and safe at your home. The topic of today's lecture is what are the conclusions of Michaelis-Menten kinetics besides the measurement of Km and Vmax, the two graphs, that is the Lineweaver-Burke plot and ED plot, also known as ED-Hofstee plot, by which concentration of Km and Vmax by easily known. First, what are the important conclusions? The main equation of Michaelis-Menten, it is V is equal to V max S upon Km plus S. Now, when a condition is that substrate concentration is equal to Km, then the equation is changed to V max into S upon S plus S. The denominator part is both concentration, addition of both the concentration of substrate. So it becomes V max by 2. So this is the change when S is equal to the concentration of substrate is equal to concentration of Michaelis constant. In this case, the velocity of an enzyme catalyzed reaction is equal to V max half, V max by 2. Now, in other condition, when substrate condition is very large in comparison to Km, again the equation is simplified, where since substrate concentration is very large, the concentration of Km is negligible. So only denominator is concentration of substrate. Here V is equal to velocity of the enzyme becomes V max into S upon S. Both the substrate concentration cancel each other. So V is equal to V max. Okay, this is simplified. Now the last condition here, substrate concentration is very low in comparison to Michaelis constant. So the change in equation becomes V is equal to V max into S upon Km. Since the substrate concentration will be negligible in comparison to the Km, which is very large, and substrate concentration is very low. So the velocity of an enzyme catalyzed reaction becomes simplified. V is equal to V max upon Km into S. These are the three conditions where this equation can be changed. You already learned about K-cat, what it is catalytic constant. It is the same, that is denoted by K2 earlier. So there is a slightly change in the Michaelis-Menten equation. Since V max is equal to K-cat into the concentration of total enzyme, then in place of this V max, that is the main equation for Michaelis constant, numerator may V max into S. So here we put the value of V max, that is K cat into concentration of enzyme, K cat E total into concentration of substrate upon Km plus S. So when it is applied, why there is a change from K2 to K cat? Earlier we have seen this, yes, K2 into ES. Yes, this is the same. In place of K2, it is K cat. So this is changed because K cat is the original term to describe that type of enzyme reaction in which there are multiple catalytic steps and possible multiple rate limiting steps. So K cat is applicable when that enzymatic reaction has multiple steps. We already told what is the turnover number in relation to this catalytic rate constant, that is denoted by K cat. So what is turnover number? And for what it is applicable, it is turnover number for substrate. So this catalytic rate constant, that is K cat, which is equivalent to K2. It measures the number of substrate molecules turnover by enzyme per second. This is known as turnover number for substrate. How much number of substrate molecules are turned over or changed over into the product by enzyme per second. The higher the catalytic rate constant, that is K cat, the more substrate get turned over in 1 second. This is opposite to Km. I can ask question, what is the difference between Km and K cat? Is one of the important difference between Michaelis constant and this catalytic rate constant. Lower the value of Km, higher the affinity. While here, the higher the K cat value, that is catalytic rate constant, the more substrate will change into the product. That is, it is turned over in 1 second. Okay, it is clear?
No, sir.
K catalytic rate constant, it is a catalytic rate constant, K cat denoted by K cat. Okay, this is catalytic rate constant. In place of K2, why it comes? Because it is applicable for multiple steps of an enzyme catalyzed reaction, not for single step. Single step होगा तो only K2 is sufficient. Multiple steps हैं किसी enzyme catalyzed reaction के, then K cat is applicable. In place of K2, K cat comes, that is catalytic rate constant. And the difference between Michaelis constant and K cat is this. There is opposite relation. If Michaelis constant is low, that is lower the Km value, higher is the affinity, higher is the binding of substrate to the enzyme. While here in this case, higher the K cat, that is the catalytic rate constant value, the more substrate will get turned in 1 second. Okay, turnover means it change into product per second. Now already I have known this Michaelis-Menten equation, how it can be solved. It can't be solved without knowing the concentration of variables, important variable, that is Km and Vmax, and substrate concentration. So mainly you have to know what is the Vmax and Km. Each enzyme catalyzed reaction has its own Km and Vmax. So the first plot which is used to measure the concentration of Vmax and Km, it is known as Lineweaver-Burke plot. It is the oldest plot and traditional plot for measurement of Km and Vmax, the two important variables in the equation of Michaelis-Menten for measuring the velocity of the enzyme catalyzed reaction. So what is this Lineweaver-Burke plot? It is a graphical representation of the Lineweaver-Burke equation of enzyme kinetics given by Ernst Lineweaver and Dean Burke in 1934. That is why it is known as Lineweaver-Burke plot upon the discoverer name. So much is the old. It is proposed in 1934. So what is the method utilized to measure the concentration of Km and Vmax? It is through a plot, and it is through one of the equation he proposed, y is equal to ax plus b, where y-axis denote the reciprocal of velocity of the reaction, that is 1 by v0, and x-axis denote the reciprocal of substrate concentration, that is 1 by s. So the main equation, that is Michaelis-Menten equation, denoted here by mm, which is V0 is equal to Vmax into S upon Km plus S. Now take the reciprocal of this equation. It becomes 1 by V0 Km upon Vmax into S plus 1 by Vmax. Now upon simplification, this will be the Lineweaver-Burke equation, which we obtained from reciprocaling the main Michaelis-Menten equation. So here, this Lineweaver-Burke equation comes 1 by V0 is equal to Km upon Vmax into 1 upon S plus 1 by Vmax. How this comes? It clears. Taking reciprocal of main Michaelis-Menten equation, it is okay. 1 by V0 is equal to Km upon Vmax S plus 1 by Vmax. How this comes? Everybody clear?
सर यहाँ पर जो एस की वैल्यू है वो 1 बाई वी मैक्स रखा हुआ है ना रेसिप्रोकल में प्लस करके।
S की वैल्यू कहाँ पर?
सर सेकंड स्टेप में के एम बाई वी मैक्स है, फिर प्लस 1 बाई वी मैक्स है, तो यहाँ पे जो एस की वैल्यू है ऊपर वाले की जो के एम प्लस उसी की वैल्यू रखी है ना सर।
इसको आप जब रेसिप्रोकल में लेंगे जो माइकलिस-मेंटेन इक्वेशन है, तो ये क्लियर होगी ना। रेसिप्रोकल में लेंगे तो यही इक्वेशन आएगी। क्लियर हुआ कि नहीं? कैसे आएगी?
हाँ हो गया सर।
फर्स्ट जो इक्वेशन है माइकलिस-मेंटेन इक्वेशन है, ठीक, इसका रेसिप्रोकल लेंगे तो ये सेकंड इक्वेशन आ जाएगी। क्लियर है कि नहीं?
हाँ सर हो गया।
पहले आप इसको सेपरेट करेंगे, जिनको नहीं क्लियर है बता दें। जो मेन माइकलिस-मेंटेन इक्वेशन है इसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए। V0 इज इक्वल टू V मैक्स S अपॉन Km प्लस V मैक्स इंटू S अपॉन S। हो जाएगा कि नहीं हो जाएगा? मैथ्स में आपने पढ़ा है ना, ये कॉमन लिया गया है V मैक्स इंटू S अपॉन Km प्लस S। तो V मैक्स S कॉमन है, तो न्यूमरेटर में हमेशा V मैक्स इंटू S हो जाएगा। एक पोर्शन में V मैक्स इंटू S अपॉन Km और दूसरे पोर्शन में प्लस करने के बाद V मैक्स इंटू S अपॉन S, तो S कैंसिल हो गया। ठीक है, उसका रिवर्स ले लिया तो 1 बाई वी मैक्स हो गया। इसी तरह से इसका रिवर्स ले लिया फर्स्ट पोर्शन का, तो Km अपॉन वी मैक्स इंटू S। क्लियर है?
यस सर।
सिंप्लीफाई कर लिया गया। 1 बाई V0 जो कि लाइनवेयर-बर्क इक्वेशन से डिनोट हो रही है। 1 बाई V0 इज इक्वल टू Km अपॉन वी मैक्स। सबस्ट्रेट को अलग कर लिया गया, बात एक ही है, इंटू 1 बाई सबस्ट्रेट कंसंट्रेशन प्लस 1 बाई वी मैक्स। नाउ इट्स क्लियर?
यस सर।
पहले आपको माइकलिस-मेंटेन इक्वेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है, फिर उसको रिवर्स करना है, तब जाके ये मिडिल वाली यानी कि सेकंड इक्वेशन बनेगी। और फिर उसको और सिंप्लीफाई कर दीजिए, सबस्ट्रेट को अलग से शो कर दीजिए, बात एक ही है, तब जाके ये लाइनवेयर-बर्क इक्वेशन बनेगी। सबस्ट्रेट अलग इसलिए किया गया ताकि जो प्लॉट जो बना है वो सबस्ट्रेट और वेलोसिटी के बीच दिखाया जा सके। रेसिप्रोकल, डबल रेसिप्रोकल इसीलिए इसका नाम है क्योंकि दोनों ही तरफ 1 से डिवाइड किया गया है, 1 बाई V0 एंड 1 बाई S। y एक्सिस पर 1 बाई V0 है यानी कि वेलोसिटी, और x एक्सिस पर सबस्ट्रेट कंसंट्रेशन। नाउ इट्स क्लियर मोर फ्रॉम दिस ग्राफ what the x and y axis denotes, and the curve is here, the straight line between this x and y axis, and the slope of this straight line, it denotes Km by V max. Why? That y axis intercept is equal to 1 by V max, and when this straight line is joined to the x axis, the x intercept is equal to minus 1 by Km. And it can also be solved through the equation given by Lineweaver-Burke plot. Y is equal to ax plus b. The last para, see the last para. When y is equal to 0, then that equation becomes, in place of y, 0 comes, 0 is equal to ax plus b. Now simplify it. X is equal to minus b upon a, that is equivalent to minus 1 by Km. So from this plot, the concentration of Km and Vmax can be measured by plotting velocity and substrate reciprocal relation in a graph, which gives a straight line. Clear? It's clear? So why there are two types of graphs or plot, Lineweaver plot and Eddy-Hofstee plot? Although Lineweaver plot has the great advantage of allowing a more accurate measurement or determination of Pmax, which can be only be approximated from a simple plot of velocity versus substrate. सिंपल प्लॉट से भी मेजर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन दैट इज अप्रोक्सीमेट वैल्यू है. करेक्ट वैल्यू आपको इसी से मिलेगी लाइनवेवर प्लॉट, लेकिन आफ्टर सम यूज ऑफ दिस प्लॉट some years gone, today it is obsolete. It has some flaws, some anomaly. That is why there is a need for second plot, that is known as Eddy-Hofstee plot. So the importance of Lineweaver plot. What is the use of this plot? It is used to determine important variables in the Michaelis-Menten equation, that is Km and Vmax, for enzyme kinetics, for measuring the velocity of the reaction. And since some newer software, computer-related software has come, and that takes the place of this plot in accurately determining this concentration of Km and Vmax. We already told you that in the Lineweaver plot, the y-intercept is equal to Vmax, the x-intercept is equal to -1 by Km, while the slope, that is the Km by Vmax. Now come to Eddy-Hofstee diagram, also known as Eddy-Hofstee plot or Eddy plot or Hofstee plot, which is known by various other names, also known as Augustinson plot. You can say it separately, whether it's Eddy plot, it can also be said like that, Hofstee plot, or another word is Augustinson plot. Augustinson, the month is August, and you add the suffix inson, Augustinson plot. So again, what is this plot? It measures the value of Km and Vmax, but the axis concentration is different. The x and y axis denote different variables, somewhat different variables. On one hand, that is the y axis, it is velocity, but on the x axis, it is v versus s. This is the main plot for Eddy-Hofstee. So here you are seeing that the slope represents the negative value of Km, Michaelis constant. The x-intercept, it is the value of Vmax upon Km, while the y-intercept denotes the value of Vmax. So it is different from the Lineweaver plot, but it is more accurate than Lineweaver plot. So this is the main equation given by Eddy-Hofstee. Measure the velocity of the line catalyzed reaction. V is equal to minus Km into V upon S plus Vmax. How this comes? Again, this come by simplification of this Michaelis-Menten equation. You are already knowing the full name of these variables, Km and Vmax. This is the simplification by which this equation is obtained for Eddie Hofstee plot. This is the Michaelis-Menten equation. V is equal to Vmax into S upon Km plus S. Invert and multiply with velocity V, Vmax upon V. Then it will become Vmax into Km plus S whole man upon Vmax into S. And this will become, in substrate, will cancel each other. So Km plus S upon S, no, Vmax will cancel each other, sorry. Vmax is upon the numerator and denominator both sides. So Vmax will cancel each other. This will become Km plus S upon S. Now again rearrange it. By cross multiplication, the denominator V will multiply to both the right hand variables, V into Km upon S plus V into S upon S. Now here the substrate concentration will cancel each other, the numerator and denominator. So this becomes Vmax is equal to V into Km upon S plus V. Again simplified by putting this main velocity V on the left hand side